Polkadot may slide 5.4% by August 28, according to crypto predictions. But first, let's review the current chart before moving on. At this point, Polkadot has seen a 3.5% rise today and is priced close to $0.889. Here's today's set of expert forecasts. Crypto prediction says we could witness a decline to $0.841 tomorrow, about 5.4% below current level. CoinDataFlow projects a move down to $0.853 for Polkadot, which implies a loss of 4%. CoinPrice forecast notes it may descend to an 88 cents, roughly 1% below the current price. A separate outlook from 30 rates indicates Polkadot could edge higher to $0.902, a rise close to 1.5%. Finally, Traders Union believes the price could advance to $0.955 by August 28, 7.4% above current levels. This is the highest profit estimate so far. That's the end of forecast views. Let's continue. After reviewing the predictions, let's examine the numbers. Looking at the forecasts as a whole, the likely range for price movement is between a decline of 5.4% and an increase of 7.4%, depending on the analyst. When everything is tallied, Traders Union has the top return with 7.4% gain in value by tomorrow. As a result, you might earn between $10 and $74 for every $1,000 you invest. In terms of probabilities, CoinPrice forecast stands above the rest, showing a 88.6% chance of success. Looking across the 5 forecasts, I've built a consensus outlook for clarity. The combined outlook positions Polkadot at roughly $0.886, showing little change. So, let's go step by step. Consensus modeling shows the price trending down by 0.3%. Simply put, your capital could also expand by around 0.3% as a reflection of that change. For a 1,000 entry, this move could imply $3 gained. And overall, the chance of this consensus forecast proving accurate is near 91.7%. Let's shift our focus to how analysts view the 3-day outlook. Crypto predictions expects the chart to tilt downward. Likewise, CoinDataFlow signals weakness, pointing to a fall. Additionally, CoinPrice forecast highlights building pressure to the downside. A bearish stance is similarly reflected in 30 rates' forecast. Traders Union expects Polkadot to move higher over the coming days. Consensus forecasts highlight Polkadot trading on the downside over the next 3 days. At the end of the day, the majority of forecasts highlight a bearish move for Polkadot. 2 days ago, 5 forecasts were published. Yesterday revealed how those forecasts matched up. At the end of the day, the price settled at $0.876. Only one forecast managed to capture the correct direction of the move. As far as accuracy goes, 30 rates stood out on top. Now we'll take it step by step. With the market moving this way, only one forecast was within the range. When it comes to ROI, just one analyst managed to stay positive. Here's the complete report. All outcomes compiled into one simple view. CoinPrice forecast is shown with $0.034 accuracy, 89.5% forecast probability, and minus 3.2% ROI. See if your favorite analyst managed to stay closest to the move. Let's take a look at how the expected returns for tomorrow compare among a few selected cryptocurrencies. Polkadot doesn't reach the top this time as Internet Computer shows the best potential profitability of 1.7%. This comparison includes Polkadot and 4 random cryptocurrencies. The extended comparison is already open on my website. If you like getting quick, time-saving updates on forecasts, hit like and subscribe to stay tuned. Bye for now.